With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question says two sides AB and BC and median AM of one triangle ABC are respectively equal to PQ, QR and PN of triangle PQR. So I will write them down. So it is given that AB is equals to PQ, BC is equals to QR and AM is equals to PN. This is given to us in the question. You have to show that ABM is congruent to triangle PQ and ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Now it says that BC is equals to QR, and we know that it is given that AM and PN are median, so they will divide the base into two halves. Basically, they bisect the side opposite side. So therefore, since AM is median, therefore BC or BM BC by 2 is equals to BM is equals to MC, because this will be, so when we add BC, BM plus MC, that comes out to be equal to BC, and BM we can calculate this, so come out to BC is equals to half of BM plus MC. Similarly, since PQ PM, sorry, P not PQ, it is PN is median, therefore similarly in this case also, that is QR by 2 is equals to QN is equals to NR. Now it is given that BC is equals to QR, so we can, from here we can say that BC is equals to QR, therefore BM is equals to MC is equals to QN is equals to NR. This is the result, and these two are equal to BC by 2 and QR by 2. So therefore then we proved these results. Now let's take a look at the triangles. So let's go for the first part, that is triangle ABM and triangle PQN. So in triangle ABM and triangle PQN, AB is equals to PQ. This is given to us. Now the second thing is BM is equals to QN. We just proved it here. And AM is equals to PN. This is also given to us. Therefore, using side property, triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQN. So we have proved the first part. Now from this we will use, now from this result we will say using CPCT. Now CPCT states that CPCT stands for corresponding parts of congruent triangles. It says that when two triangles are proved to be congruent, then their corresponding parts are also congruent. So using CPCT, we can say that angle ABM is equals to angle AQN, or sorry, not AQN, this will be PQN, is equals to angle PQN. So this angle, that is ABM, will be equal to PQN because they are the corresponding parts. So we got proved. So we got this from here. Now we have to prove the second part. Now second part, we have to prove that triangle ABC and PQR are congruent. So triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, it is given that AB is equals to PQ, BC is equals to QR. It is given. This is also given. And angle ABC is equals to angle PQR, we just proved from the first part. So therefore, using side angle side property, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So hence the second part also has been proven. Therefore, a question is done.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.